Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to explain about the side determination of the clavicle. So I got this clavicle and I decided to make you guys clear about the side determination of the clavicle because many students are always confused about the side determination of the clavicle. They can't really decide that the bone they have is of the right side or it's of the left side. So today I am making this confusion clear for you guys. So let's focus. In order to determine whether the clavicle you have is of the right side or it's of the left side, you will have to follow three simple steps. Step number 1. In the first step, you have to look at the extremities of the clavicle. The clavicle has two extremities. I have explained the extremities of the clavicle in my tutorial of the scapula and the clavicle. You can follow the link in the description in order to study about the extremities of the clavicle. So the clavicle has two extremities, a sternal extremity and an acromial extremity. So whether to decide that which one of these two extremities is the sternal extremity and which one is the acromial extremity, you will have to look at their shape. So I have explained in my tutorial that the sternal extremity is a blunt thickened one. So you can see that this one is a blunt one and a bit thickened compared to this lateral one. So this extremity is the sternal extremity because it is blunt shaped and it's thickened as well. So this one is the sternal extremity, and this extremity, which is a bit flat and thin compared to the previous one, is the acromial extremity. Now what you have to do, that you should have to place the sternal extremity on the medial side and the acromial extremity should be placed on the lateral side. So I have this clavicle, I have put the sternal extremity on the medial side and the acromial extremity on the lateral side. You can also place it like this if the clavicle is the left one, because still it's not decided that the clavicle we have is of the right side or it's of the left side. So you can also place it like this, the sternal extremity on the medial side and the acromial extremity on the lateral side. Step number 2. In step number 2, you will have to look at the anterior side of the clavicle. So the medial 2/3 of the clavicle should be convex, while the lateral 1/3 of the clavicle should be concave anteriorly. So you should have to place it like this, so that the medial 2/3 of the clavicle is convex, while the lateral 1/3 of the clavicle should be concave. You can also place it like this if the clavicle is of the right side. Medial 2/3 concave convex anteriorly, while the lateral 2/3 should be concave anteriorly. Still, it's not decided whether the clavicle we have is of the right side or it's of the left side. So, in order to make this clear, you will have to proceed towards the third step. So in the third step, you will have to look at the superior and the inferior surfaces of the lateral extremity. So the superior surface of the lateral extremity should be smooth, while the inferior surface of the lateral extremity should be a bit rough compared to the superior surface. So this rough surface of the lateral extremity is the inferior surface, while this smooth surface of the lateral extremity is the superior surface. So you will have to place it like this, so that the smooth surface comes towards the superior side and the inferior surface comes the rough surface comes towards the inferior side. You can also place it like this so that the smooth surface comes towards the superior side while the rough surface comes towards the inferior side. Now let's apply these tips on this bone. Step number 1. Place the sternal extremity on the medial side and the acromial extremity on the lateral side. Step number 2. The medial 2/3 of the clavicle should be convex anteriorly and the lateral 1/3 of the clavicle should be concave anteriorly. Step number 3. The superior surface of the clavicle of the lateral extremity of the clavicle should be smooth while the inferior surface of the lateral extremity of the clavicle should be rough compared to the superior surface. So now I have applied these tips on this bone and it's much clear that this clavicle I have is of the right side because the sternal extremity is on the medial side, the medial 2/3 of the clavicle is convex and the superior surface of the lateral extremity is smooth. So I'm sure that this tutorial is very helpful for you guys, and after this tutorial you will have no confusion about the side determination of the clavicle. So thank you so much for being with us.